Hey John, ran the 50K Marine Corps race the other day. It was a bit of a survival exercise. You know how that feels, don't you? Went out a bit fast, tweaked my knee, and had to suck it up all the way back. All in all, happy with my effort. Here's a few clips and some images of the long rainy night. Here we go. 5 hours of misery.
Assembly area, and we will flash the route briefly once again for all the participants in.
50K of misery.
And not just that, we have our special events as well. We've got fire hazard performances, we've got the BMC combo, and we have the awaited silent drill happening later on.
It's to be fun in the rain.
Complete 7 this route to finish the 50 kilometers. Showing up.
Just a bit, yeah. Please pull back just a bit. Mga nasarang mo. Kailangan pull back again kasi bakit ito Are you ready for our countdown? Hindi pa. Are you ready? Our fun ride. Actually, ito yung bakit song. Dedicated naman sa physical health. Ang dami pala.
A bright light given my night vision.
Yeah, I love you. Please make sure to watch out for each other, keep each other safe. Pray. Yes.
It's in a minute to go.
Only 1 minute till our countdown
Tapos tayo na sumali ngayon ha. Maamay sa iyo mamaya. Iguan nila maamay sa iyo.
Promise?
Yeah.
Promise and partner?
Yes.
Sino first timers? Sino by the way? First timers? Sabihin niyo lang ha. Sabihin ko lang ha. Okay, now, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Yeah, right. Good.
Dito ka na, Master. Umakit na sa kulay.
Is your name? Good luck, racers!
Very. Rainy day. And it's just about getting comfortable. Way up the hill. First little bit done. A lot more to go. Not too fast again. Well, camera's crooked. Here. It's not fun yet. Oh, it's not fun yet. Turn around. Take a break. Have a gel. Drink some water. Be on my way. Trying to get my go forever speed. Started out kind of fast. I want to mix with a happy kind. Gotta crank it down. On buy over or something. Kind of dark though. Morning. Oh, I'm tired. She got the other app to do. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, my feet are soaked. Feet are getting really sore because shoes are soaked, socks are soaked. Oh well. Hey John, hiya puppy. It's daylight now and on the home stretch. Looks like you had a rough night as well. Hang in there. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button. See you next time.